Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu 24.04 LTS inside VirtualBox, and this is perfect. If you want to try Ubuntu without affecting your main operating system, let's get started. First things first, we need to download two things, VirtualBox and the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS ISO. Go to virtualbox.org and download VirtualBox for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Next, head over to ubuntu.com/download and grab the ISO file for Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Choose the desktop version. You can also go for an Ubuntu flavor instead. Ubuntu flavors are official variants of the Ubuntu operating system that come with different desktop environments and sets of pre-installed software designed to cater to different use cases or preferences. Ubuntu itself ships with the GNOME desktop environment by default, but not everyone likes GNOME or has hardware that runs it well. Ubuntu flavors give users more choices tailored to performance, lighter desktops for older or low-powered hardware, personal preference, different look, feel, or workflow, specialized use cases like education or multimedia production. For example, Kubuntu that runs the KDE Plasma desktop environment is meant for users who want a modern, sleek interface with lots of customization. Ubuntu with XFCE desktop environment is lightweight and fast, and is great for older computers. Ubuntu with LXQT desktop environment is ultra lightweight and energy efficient and is suitable for very low-spec machines. After downloading your ISO image and installing VirtualBox, you can now start the installation of Ubuntu. Open VirtualBox and click New to create a new virtual machine. Give your virtual machine a name like Ubuntu 24.04. Set the type to Linux and version to Ubuntu 64 mbit. On ISO image, browse to the ISO image you downloaded earlier and select it. When installing Ubuntu 24.04 or any OS in VirtualBox, you can go for attended or unattended installation. An attended installation is a manual installation process where the user interacts with the Ubuntu installer. An unattended installation, which I prefer, is an automated process where most or all of the user inputs are predefined and passed to the installer, so the installation can complete without further manual input. So you can skip the unattended installation and do the manual installation, but set the amount of RAM and as well as the disk size. I will go for the unattended installation myself, so I will set the username and password. Also, check the guest editions checkbox when done. Just click on Finish. Make sure you are connected to the internet, but it is not mandatory. But for a smooth installation, I recommend you connect to the internet. Once you click on Finish, the virtual machine will start and the installation will start automatically in the background if you selected the unattended installation method. It installs Ubuntu without user interaction. If you go with attended installation, which is a manual installation process, you have to interact with the Ubuntu installer, providing inputs like language, time zone, keyboard, layout, disk, partitioning, username and password, and network Settings. The installation is done. Just log in with the password you created earlier. And that's it. You've successfully installed Ubuntu 24.04 LTS in VirtualBox. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.